by the School of Excellence, and this is my project, which I would like to call enlarge sketching.
Okay.
So in school, we have to make posters with the huge sketches on it. So that is a really difficult job, and that is why a solution for this, you can always easily take small printouts like these and trace them on butter paper.
Okay.
Now this butter paper, you might see, I have put in this box. Now I've put a light source behind this box, and there's a magnification lens behind in front of it. And there's a screen in front of the magnifying lens. Magnifying lens is convex in nature, and due to the setup, what happens is the image gets enlarged and gets seen, and you can see it on the screen. So now, if you take a pencil and start sketching it over here, you can get a
Larger image, right?
a larger image of it like this.
Okay.
And you
So
can
how
see
do you vary the size of the image?
you can vary the size of the image by taking the object behind, but it will also affect its clarity. So
So you need a stronger lens.
you need a stronger lens for this. It's a stronger convex lens, and this works on the principle of optics. So here you can see that if we place the object in behind the focus of the lens and in front of the twice the focus of the lens, then we have then it passes the rays of this particular object pass to the convex lens, and it forms behind the twice the focus on other side as an enlarged and an inverted image.
So you need to invert the image and paste it here,
so that it gets straightened over there.
Yeah. Thank you.